this actually is updated. It's super insane, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Hey gamers, so today we will get Fishdom mods. So this is for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited diamonds. So I just turned it on, so let's see if they go up. So as you can see guys, these are the diamonds right now, really bad. So hopefully it starts increasing and then we'll be rich on Fishdom. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's get into the tutorial. And yeah, they're not increasing, but it could happen. So as you can see guys, they're going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the tutorial. This is super cool. So yeah, let's download the Fishdom mod, shall we? So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and just type tweakmod.com and then go to the search bar and type Fishdom. So anyway guys, then go ahead and press install, and before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. So all you got to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's loading right now. So yeah, super cool. So yeah, here we go. So yep. Alright, so last step guys, verification. We just need to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, it says missing files, so just pick like 2 of them. Like Family Island says reach level 10 or whatever, it's a game. Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. You know, I don't really do videos anymore, but gotta share this one. It's a working Fishdom mod, 2025 approved. So get the word out, enjoy it, and unite your love of Fishdom for 2025 guys. So super cool. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, this is super awesome guys, so enjoy it.